If you're Italian American like me, I bet you love a Christmas. You're heading to Nona's, doing all the traditions and eating all the food you grew up loving. But what if this year you could connect with your family by speaking just a little bit of Italian? In this video, I'm sharing 10 phrases that'll make you feel less like a guest and more like a part of your own big Italian family. I'm Maria, founder of the Italian Toolkit Program and longtime Italian teacher. I grew up with my Italian American family here in New York and my full-blooded Italian family over in Calabria. So I've seen up close the food, the traditions, and all the little cultural details that make our Italian and Italian American holidays so special. And I've taught hundreds of students not just how to speak a few specific phrases, but really connect with their family and locals so I know it actually works. So if you want to go past the phrases and need more help with actual conversation and dialogue, click the link below for my free Italian lesson meant for beginners and people with Italian heritage, just like us. It's not the holiday season if I don't teach you how to say Merry Christmas. So, Buon Natale. Buon Natale, Merry Christmas. In my family, we happen to say this really loudly. So let me know if your family also says it loudly in the comments. Auguri, auguri. It literally means wishes, like the word itself, auguri means wishes, but when you say it like auguri, it means best wishes. It's also used for any celebration, not just Christmas. Something you might have heard is tanti auguri. That's many best wishes. Tanti auguri. When someone says Buon Natale to you, you could also say Buon Natale, or you could say altrettanto, altrettanto, likewise, or also to you, anche a te, So repeat after me, altrettanto, altrettanto, or anche a te. And if you want one greeting that covers the entire holiday season, so Christmas and New Year's, you could say buone feste. Buone feste. It's just happy holidays. Buone feste. To say Happy New Year, we would say Felice Anno Nuovo. Felice Anno Nuovo. Happy New Year. Make sure here that you pronounce anno the correct way. And if you need help with pronunciation in general, I have my free Italian lesson link in the description. It'll help you out with that. Okay, so we are past the greetings. Now let's get into some few phrases that you would want to use at the dinner table. If you want to say something is good, we would not just say good. We want to say che buono, che buono, che buono. How delicious, how good. And if everything is amazing, which it usually is in our Italian American families, then you could say tutto buonissimo. Everything's so good. Believe me here, Italians and Italian relatives will absolutely love that you're complimenting their food. And in Italiano, bonus points. At every big Italian family gathering, I always ask if I could help with the dishes or some tasks. So for that, I would say, posso aiutare? Posso aiutare? Can I help? And even if they say no, which they probably will, it means a lot. It's a kind gesture. The next phrase is cin cin. Cin cin. It doesn't sound very Italian, but it is what we say when we clink our glasses together. Now, my family always said salute for a toast, which literally means health. So I don't know, what does your Italian family say? Let me know in the comments. It might be cin cin, it might be salute. Let me know. Now, when you're on your way out, don't just say grazie. Say grazie mille per tutto. It'll really impress them. It means thanks a ton for everything. Grazie mille per tutto. Repeat after me. Grazie mille per tutto. Thanks for everything. And instead of just saying ciao, which I have an entire video on this channel, try the next best phrase. Ci vediamo l'anno prossimo. See you next year. If you loved learning these Italian Christmas phrases, which I absolutely love filming every year, then click the link below for my free Italian lesson. It is my gift to you this holiday season, and I guarantee it'll help you improve your pronunciation, it'll help you with speaking, conversation, and you'll learn a little bit more about me and my family and my story as well. Make sure you're subscribed and click the notification bell for weekly videos full of authentic phrases, real-life tips, and easy ways for you to connect with your Italian roots and family. And if you want to keep learning some Italian with me right now, click this video right here on double letter pronunciation so you could say Felice Anno Nuovo without embarrassing yourself. Buon Natale, buone feste e ci vediamo nel prossimo video. Ciao!